How to restart old MacBook Air. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to properly restart your old MacBook Air. Whether your Mac is running slow, unresponsive, or you just want to refresh it, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done quickly and safely. Method 1. Standard restart. First, let's cover the standard way to restart your MacBook Air. 1. Click on the Apple logo on your screen. 2. From the drop-down menu, select Restart. 3. A confirmation message will appear. Click Restart to confirm. Your Mac will now close all applications and restart normally. Method 2. Force Restart. If your MacBook Air is frozen or unresponsive, you will need to perform a force restart. 1. Press and hold the power button until the screen turns black. This may take about 5 to 10 seconds. Then, wait a few seconds. Now, press the power button again to turn your MacBook on. On older MacBook Air models, this power button is usually located at the top right corner of the keyboard. Additional tips. Here are some additional tips to ensure a smooth restart. Before restarting, save any open documents to prevent data loss. If your Mac frequently becomes unresponsive, consider checking for software updates or hardware issues. Regularly restarting your Mac can help you maintain optimal performance. And that's how you restart your old MacBook Air. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.